Are you tired of editing your Instagram story with the perfect music, only to find out that the music won't be downloaded when you save it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to download your Instagram stories with the music intact. Step 1. Open your Instagram application and click on the plus icon at the bottom to create a new story. Step 2. Click on the story button. Step 3. Take a photo or video that you want to use in your story. Step 4. Add the music you want by clicking on the music icon at the Stick It section. For more information on how to add music to your Instagram story, please check out the video link in the description. Step 5. After you've added the music, don't save the story just yet. Instead, post it on your Instagram account. Step 6. Once you've posted the story, click on the three dots at the bottom of the story and select Copy Link. Step 7. Now, go to save-insta.com on your browser, then tap on the story button right here and paste the link you copied earlier into the search bar. Make sure that your account is not set to private. Step 8. Click on View Video and watch on your screen and follow what I did to download your story. Step 9. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded your Instagram story with the music intact. That's it for this tutorial on how to download Instagram stories with music. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.